How to change LinkedIn email address. So first, go to your account and then click on your profile here at the top right. And then you can just click on View Profile. Now, once you're here on your profile, you can just click on the pencil icon here. Then scroll down and look for Contact Info. Click on Edit Contact Info. Here, you can see their email. Click on it. Okay, now here, you can just click on Add Email Address. And then, before you get something like this, they're going to send you a PIN or a confirmation. So you just need to confirm that. So you can add a new email address, and then after that, you just need to enter a new email here, and then enter your LinkedIn password, and then you can just click on Submit. Then after that, you will have 2 emails. Now you'll have the option to either make that new email that you just added to be the primary email for your LinkedIn account. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.